Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this one I'll show you how to hide frame names in Figma. So let me firstly create some frames so that I can demonstrate. I will also rename them. So let us, for example, say test 1. After that another frame, rename, test 2, and let's create another one, and test 3. Okay, so the way to hide these names is actually pretty simple. So why Figma is beautiful is because it has these plugins and widgets that make your work way easier, and they just simplify stuff. So just go to the plugins and widgets and type in hide frame. And as you can see, we will have this little plugin that is called hide frame names. So just click on it. You can save it, or you can just run it. So let's run it. Okay, so run this one because the previous one was actually paid. All right, press on hide. And as you can see now, everything is hidden. So they are actually hidden from both on top of the frame itself, right? You can just show, as you can see, they are being hidden in here and also on our layers page, right? So I'm gonna hide them again. And as you can see, they are hidden from everywhere. And let's, for example, you say you want to make this clean, or you're maybe recording a YouTube video and you don't want to reveal whatever you're, working on. So this is a pretty cool way. So as you can see, it also shows how many frames that have names are being hidden or shown. So which is pretty handy. So just save this for later, guys. Just go ahead into here. Once again, hide frame names, view details, and just, save. In my case, it's already saved. So you can easily, in the future, access them whenever you need them. Enjoy. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.